being in the trucking business, we know how to dispatch, we know how to deal with drivers, we know how to fix trucks. What we don't know how to do is train them and teach them the way Moraine Park is able to do that. The partnership with Moraine Park Technical College has fueled our mission by helping us train potential CDL holders.
Our current workforce challenges are sourcing qualified drivers. There's a lot of competition and a small pool of people that meet the minimum requirements. But as far as the partnership goes, I think we've been really satisfied and impressed with the adaptability of the Moraine Park staff and the unique solutions that they've been able to provide to our program. That's made it much easier on us to have a startup when we know that our partner is just as flexible and adaptable as we intend to be with the program. Moraine Park not only supporting our private partnership, but also providing education to all the other supporting staff members that could potentially land as employees for Kreilkamp Trucking.
If they were not available to us as an option, I'm not sure if we'd be able to start a program like this out, because we were not capable and are not capable of being able to instruct and teach the way Moraine Park is.